Hi dear students, welcome back to Train Your Brain with Nabil. Today's lesson is extremely important and very useful for O-level and IGCSE mathematics. We are learning how to sketch a cubic graph when the leading coefficient is negative. In previous lesson, we have learned the cubic graph if leading coefficient is positive. Students, we know that a standard form of a cubic equations look like this. Y is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If your leading coefficient a is greater than 0, I mean positive, then your graph starts from the bottom left and rises to the top right. And if a is lesser than 0 or negative, then your graph starts from top left and ends at the bottom right. Usually it is S or N shape. Today we are going to solve one question that is related with negative leading coefficient. So let me write question here, that y is equal to x minus 2, 3 minus x and 4 plus x. First of all, we have to find out x-intercepts and y-intercepts simultaneously. For finding x-intercepts, we have to put y is equal to 0. 0 is equal to x minus 2, 3 minus x and 4 plus x. Now x minus 2 is equal to 0. It would be x is equal to 2. The coordinates would be 2, 0. And second value would be 3 minus x is equal to 0. 3 is equal to x and the coordinates would be 3, 0. And the last coordinate would be 4 plus x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 4 and it would be minus 4, 0. Now we have to find out y-intercept. For this purpose, we are going to put x is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 0 minus 2, 3 minus 0 and 4 plus 0. We will solve it further. 0 minus 2 minus 2, 3 minus 0 3 and 4 plus 0 4. We will multiply it. 2 minus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, this becomes minus 24. So the coordinates would be 0 minus 24. Now we will plot x-axis and y-axis coordinates and get a smooth curve. Here we can write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 -1, -2, -3, -4, and on y-axis we can start with -5, -10, -15, -20, and -25. Now we'll plot them. 2, 0 would be here, and 3, 0 would be here, and last one would be -4, 0, and for y-axis coordinates 0, -24 would be here. Now we are going to join them and get a smooth curve. Uh, Remember that if a is lesser than 0, graph falls to right. Mark all x coordinates, include smooth turning points, draw continuous S-shaped curve. One thing you have to keep in mind that do not draw straight lines and try to show turning points as well. Dear students, if you have learned something today, kindly hit like, subscribe, and share this lesson. See you in next important lesson, inshallah, very soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.